to just insert them into the front of the book. So these have little pouches here. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'll show you in 2 seconds. There we go. So there's one done. I mean, these are just quick little projects that you can do. Now these little binders, I want to say I picked them up. I mean, I've had them for years. I actually had even forgot that I even still had them, but I found them when I was digging through a cupboard. That one's hard to see on camera, but you can see it really good in person. Anyways, yes, I think I got these from like Staples years ago. So you could maybe have a look there for them. And there's that one. And this one. And the nice part about this is they can always change out the front if they want to. And of course, this will just help them determine whose is who, so they can write all their secret squirrel stuff in there, because you know everybody needs a book for that stuff. And there's the last one. So I will just set them all out here. Move my camera a little bit. And then these two. Let's see if I can do this. Can I? Yay! Oh darn, you can't read that one very well. There you go. Quick and easy little gifts that you can do up for little ones or for yourself even. Why not, right? This is nice because you can carry it in your purse. You can write little stuff down. Anyways, thank you again for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Thank you again, and happy crafting. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or just have a comment, please leave them in the description box below. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel.